Today current affairs. 1 November 2023. News. Top 5 morning headlines 1 November. Rajiv Chandrasekhar to participate in AL Safety Summit 2023 in UK. Second point. UNESCO. Kozhikode as City of Literature, Gwalior as City of Music. Third point. Prime Minister launches Mera Yuva Bharat. Fourth point. Diaspora Week Priyavasi Prichya Conventions in Riyadh. Fourth point. NITI Ayog to organize G20 feeder thematic workshops. Today history 1 November. First point. 1858 Britain government took over administrative power from East India Company to rule India. Second point. 1958 first thermonuclear bomb tested by the United States. Third point. 1993 the Maastricht Treaty entered into force, thereby stabilizing the European Union. Fourth point. 1997 James Cameron Titanic, a drama about the doomed ocean liner, had its first public screening at the Tokyo International Film Festival. Days and event. Rajyotsava Day, which is also known as Karnataka Rajyotsava or Kannada Rajyotsava or Kannada Day or Karnataka Day, is celebrated on 1st November every year. On 1st November 1956, all Kannada language speaking region of South India were merged to develop the state of Karnataka. The state received its current name in 1973. It's bounded by Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Next point. India and world. Modi Hasina to jointly integrate three Indians assisted development work. First point. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladesh counterpart Sheikh Hasina will jointly integrate three Indians assisted development projects. The three projects are the Akhura Agartala Cross Border Rail Link, Khulna Mongla Port Rail Line, and Unit 2nd of the Metri Super Thermal Power Plant. Next point. Summit and Conference. Rajiv Chandrasekhar to participate in AI Safety Summit 2023 in UK. Ministry of State for Election and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar will participate in the 2 days AI Safety Summit 2023 in the United Kingdom. The summit organized by the UK government will bring together ministers and representatives from various countries including the UK, US, France, Indonesia, Kenya, Saudi Arabia and South of Korea among others. Centered on the theme of AI for good. Next point. National affairs. PM participates in program marketing culmination of Meri Mati Mera Desh. Lays foundation stone for Amrit Vatika and Amrit Mahotsav Memorial developed from soil collected from every part of country. President Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav awards to top 3 performing states or Union Territories. First Jammu and Kashmir, second Gujarat and third Haryana and Rajasthan. Launches Mera Yuva Bharat My Bharat platform. UNESCO Kozhikode as City of Literature, Gwalior as City of Music. The UNESCO has designated Kozhikode in Kerala as the City of Literature in its latest list of Creative Cities Network. Besides Kozhikode, Gwalior has also found a place in the network as the City of Music. 55 cities have been designated by the UNESCO Director General Audrey Oslo in 7 creator fields like craft and folk art, design, film, gastronomy, literature, media, arts and music. Next point. Government schemes and policies. Prime Minister launches Mera Yuva Bharat. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched Mera Yuva Bharat platform for youth of the country on October 31 at Kartavya Path on the National Unity Day. In a momentous decision on October 11, 2023, the Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, gave its approval for the establishment of an autonomous body known as Mera Yuva Bharat. Next point, state affairs. 31 LUP students get A plus in Nibun assignment test. Lucknow, more than 31 lakh students have achieved A plus category in Nibun assignment test in UP, the result of which was declared by the Basic Education Department. A plus category donates students who scored above 90%. Gautam Buddha Nagar, Varanasi, Kanunj and Ambedkar Nagar achieved exceptional success with highest number of A plus category students. Next headline is sports. David Willey to retire from international cricket after World Cup. England all-rounder David Willey announced that he will retire from international cricket after the end of the ongoing World Cup and stated that his team's underwhelming performance in the showpiece has not influenced his decision. Willey's decision has come a week after England Cricket Board excluded him from the list of cricketers who were offered central controls for the 2023-24 season. Top 5 evening headlines. Army Chief extend greetings to Army Aviation Corps on 38th Rising Day. IIT Guwahati incubated startups builds robot to clean petrol tanks. PM of India and Bangladesh jointly inaugurated 3 projects. Indian Navy decommissioned IL-38 SD long-range maritime patrol aircraft. Goa High Court's orders formation of tiger reserve in Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary.